Hello, Maria.
Hello, Maroon.
Have you seen Nicholas anywhere?
I don't think I have. He's probably still trying to get better after your father got done talking to him.
Yeah, I agree. I really don't like my father. Are you happy to meet my mom?
I'm a little bit scared.
You don't have anything to worry about. I'm exactly just like her.
Hi. Sweetie.
Hello, Mom. I have a surprise for you.
There isn't a lot of us, huh? You have your dad's personality. How did you know that? I'm his mom. Oh yeah. That's right.
She just felt that she was the only person that was Korean. Hello. Silver. Who are you? I'm here to help you. How are you going to do that? I'm a therapist and a doctor/surgeon. That's a lot of stuff. Yes, it is. But I have to do my job. Silver. How about we take it slow for now and just tell me how you're feeling, alright, Silver? I've been feeling sad a lot recently. Dude. You know my because saying it? My father. Your father? Yeah. Let's start thinking of the good things in your life, okay? I can give it a try. That's really great to hear. Thank you so much, Dr. Jaira. I'm glad I can help Silver. Who or what is your nemesis? It's going to be you in a minute. Nicole, I have really good news.
What's the good news?
I have a therapist now and my problem is solved.
That's amazing to hear, Silver. Silver?
Nice glasses. I'm so happy for Nicole.
It's going to be okay, Strawberry.